Money, let's get money, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's get money, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's get money.
In this video, I'm going over the best Waves plugins to record vocals with, in my opinion. These are my favorite ones to use, and I'm gonna show you how I use them. And there's gonna be links in the description below if you want to try them out for yourself. So let's get into the video. The first Waves plugin that I absolutely love to record with is WavesTune Real Time. Right, it's very simple to use. It sounds good and it's very affordable. I think it's on sale right now for $29. The speed right here, my speed is always going to be 0.1. The note transition is going to be 0.1. If I change anything, it's going to be correction. That's if I change that, right? I set my key and my scale, and it's so easy to set because we got this new plugin called Key Detector that we can link those together, right? So we can find that for us. So it's like F minor, and we see that the Key Detector says it's F minor, so the beat is correct, all right? So another plugin that I like to record with that's perfect for beginners is going to be CLA Vocals. It's very simple. You can just put this plugin on and just make a couple adjustments and you'll be good to go. Me personally, I don't like to record with the reverb, delay, or the pitch, which affects like the stereo, the wide, or the spreader. I don't like to use that unless I'm doing like ad libs. But right here, so like I can push my signal a little bit more so I can hear myself a little bit better when I'm recording, making it consistent across the board. And then the next plugin that I absolutely love to use from Waves is going to be the CLA 76. I just got a random preset on here. It just sounds good. That's why I got it on here. But this compressor right here helps push the vocals to the front, right? And then I love tracking through compression and printing through the compression because it's just keeping my vocals cool, right? Any peaks is going to smooth that out and it's going to bring the low up to where everything sounds good. And then we have the CLA 2A. This plugin right here is amazing. It's basically what you see. I'm getting some reduction right here. If I want to smooth that out, just really kill that vocal, I can kill that vocal, but I can work it back to where like I want it, right? So how much reduction I want, I'm good because I'm getting around like 3 dBs, negative 3 dBs. So I'm good across that board. So it just depends on how you want to set it. I just love recording with these plugins right here in the chain, because it just sounds good and it's not doing too much for me. And then I love the Mani delay, right? This delay is like my favorite delay other than H delay, but this one right here has a lot of cool features on it, so we can do a lot. All right, I got reverb here, I can add distortion here, I can do a doubler here, I can do a phaser here, right? We can link these right here, we can do the wet dry, we can offset the delays if we want to. It's completely up. Like we can do this right here, but it's easier if we do the host, right? Because the host is going to automatically sync our timing. And then we can do left, right, and we'll do the stereo here, the input, output, everywhere. And we got presets in here. So the Mani delay, one of my favorite delays. And then we get down here to the beautiful H reverb, right? I'm either using this or I'm using the Mani reverb. And that, let me just show you what that one looks like, because that's just where we at with it, right? The plugins that I like to record with be like some off the wall plugins, but they be worth it, right? So like if I'm doing like Travis Scott type of music, like I love this reverb, right? And it's purple, like the purple and the gold is like the Laker, you know what I'm saying? The vibe right there, right? So those are my favorite plugins for that. And then if I want to bring in like something for like then if I want to bring then if I want to bring in like harmonies and stuff right there, so the Waves harmony is all right. That's this harmony. Boom. So this is gonna be the next one. So if I do it like this right here, so I go right here. The next plugin that I love from them is the harmony plugin, because I just love harmony plugins just in general. It's very simple and it's very easy to use. So all we do is just set it. It was F minor. So as we go over here, do F, hit minor. Good to go. And it's paired with the WavesTune Real Time. So now I can do like some crazy little harmonies, right? So I can bring it down here. Like I don't need it to be up there. So just bring it down. So with that being said, so like the harmony, Waves harmony, I love that plugin. And then if we're not doing the harmony, it's another plugin that I absolutely love, and it's called Vocal Bender, right? And then we're gonna do the stereo version of the Vocal Bender, and we can shift pitch and we can shift format. So this is how I like to use that. So the deep voice, the screwed up little voices. Yeah. I love that, right? So those are my favorite ones when it comes to recording with Waves plugins. So what I'm finna do now, I'm just finna record with it and show you how I like to use them.
Let's bring the trap back. Let's bring the trap back. Yeah, let's bring the trap back. Yeah, let's bring the trap back. Yeah, let's get money. Yeah, let's get money. Yeah, let's get money. Yeah, let's get money. Bring the trap back. Yeah, let's get money. Let's get money. Yeah, let's get money. Let's get money. Yeah, let's get money.
Let's see, watch it. Here we go.
Woo, yeah, woo, yeah, woo. Yeah. Let's bring the trap back. 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 Yeah. Let's get money. Let's get money. Yeah. Let's get money. Let's get money. Yeah. Let's get money. Let's get money. Yeah. Let's get money.
Y'all seeing though? Y'all seeing like my favorite plugs to record it? Like I'm going crazy with them. You know what I'm saying? So